Email marketing is used by thousands of businesses of all sizes across the globe. If you are not utilizing email marketing, then you are leaving tons of money on the table. A study from Adobe estimates that millennials spend about 6.4 hours each day reading their emails. It is not just millennials using the email, but most people use email daily and they can check their inbox anytime while doing workout, by doing eating, even in the washroom, right? So hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video we will be talking about the benefits of email marketing. So just grab your notepads and also hit that like button, and please subscribe my channel as well. The first benefit of email marketing is staying connected with your audience. Emails are something that every person opens in a day, in the morning itself, or before starting their day, or maybe at the end of the day before sleeping. So promoting your products through email will definitely help to attract an audience at their ease. And to keep them engaged, you can send them short or simple email like, "Hi, we care for you. Here are the best deal only for you." Something like that will actually gonna help user to rely on and stay connected with you forever. In short, give users an appropriate information what they actually desire for. Only then it will be worth reading it, okay? Now, the second benefit of email marketing which I must mention is catching customers within seconds. Most of them are so busy that they don't even have time to open laptops. They use mobile phones to actually go through their emails, and not only for emails but for accessing other information as well. Half of the population open emails through their phones. So remember this while planning this marketing strategy for your business. People who are reading emails through their mobile phones convert better. So it will be ultimately increase your conversion rate. Did you get that? So that's another benefit, was catching customer and a good conversion rate at the same time. Now let's talk about the third benefit of email marketing, and that is measuring growth. With this I mean to say, with the help of email marketing tools, you can track how effectively it's working. You can track delivery rates, bounce rate, click rate, and even also you can do unsubscription rate. This will provide you a better understanding of email campaign you have started, and also make sure to go according to the requirements of your audience. If they love to read emails on a daily basis, send them on a daily basis, okay? You should always keep your target audience in mind while crafting an email. Keep one thing in mind, that too many emails can really increase your unsubscription rate. So think twice while sending too many emails, okay? Now the fourth benefit of email marketing is that it is super affordable. I am saying so because it is a reality. You can reach out to a large number of people in just a small amount of time. Email marketing services like Aweber, GetResponse, and lots more, they all offer thousands and thousands of email for a month. Yes, try out yourself. Go to the description box and you can find a link below. There are so many ways with so much convenience with so many benefits. The list will go on as benefits are many. But let me introduce you to the last essential benefit, which is to allow targeted messages to a targeted audience. This one is the most important aspect of email marketing. Email marketing focuses on keeping customers engaged. Like if they are in the consideration stage, while some at their research stage, or you can say in the comparison stage. So segmenting them and making them their list accordingly will help the businesses to target this audience at a different stage more effectively. This will help the customer to proceed to the next step of the buying cycle, okay? This will help in proceeding down with the sales funnel more effectively. You guys yourself know that how important emails have become. So with the help of email marketing, you can make a lot of progress, okay? So at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in my group. I see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far guys. Bye. Cheers.